Welcome back. In our final encapsulation lecture, we examine the consequences of successfully deleting a controlled attribute using the deleter method. Understanding how Python handles attribute access after deletion is crucial for error prevention and maintaining code stability. 1. Class setup with deleter. We reuse the property structure, focusing on the name attribute. The deleter method's job is straightforward: log the action, and then use the del keyword to remove the private backing attribute _name from the object's dictionary. Two. Deleting the attribute. We create an instance and confirm its initial state. When we execute del product.name, the name.deleter method is called. This successfully removes the underlying _name attribute from the product object. Three. Consequence, attribute error. The most important result is what happens next. If we try to read product.name again, the getter method is executed. The getter, however, tries to return the value of self._name. Since that attribute was explicitly deleted, Python raises an attribute error, indicating the object no longer possesses the property. You must wrap such access attempts in a try except block if the attribute might have been deleted. To summarize, property decorators, getter, setter, and deleter, give you total control over attribute access, modification, and removal. This concludes our section on encapsulation. Next, we will move on to working with the JSON data format in Python. Our next section is using the JSON module, starting with Lecture 40.01. Introduction. See you there.